Good morning, guys! Lalayas na naman tayo. Joke lang. Bali, sisimba lang tayo. Pagkatapos nun, baka, tama, lalayas tayo. Gagala na naman. Dito na tayo sa sasakyan. Bali, habang hinihintay ko yung mag-ama ko, papainit ko muna to. Yan, nandito na tayo sa church. So, nahirapan tayo maghanap ng parking. Siguro ang dami-dami nagsisimba ngayon. Ayan, ito yung church. Yahoo! Say hi, dear! Hi! Ali, ayan yung harap ng church. Yan. Ang ganda. Ayan ang mga ko. Diba? Yan, tapos na kami magsimba. So, maglalaba naman kami. Punta kami ng laundromat para maglaba ng aming comforter. Yan, nandito kami sa hindi ako magpapatato Ayan, yung katabi niya, laundromat. Ayan, punta kami dyan, magpapa-laundry kami, of course, ng aming comforter. Kasi napakalaki ng comforter namin, hindi kasya dun sa aming washer. So, after mass, kakain muna kami. Try namin dito sa Mary Brown's Chicken. So, what can you say about for today?
We're hungry.
Yeah, you're hungry. Are you hungry? Okay. Ito yung paligid namin. Ayan.
Hello.
Wow. Ayan. Diyan kami kakain. Yan. Nag-order na kami. May coleslaw. Tapos, chicken. Ayan. Ang hirap buksan. Yan. Ang dami, diba? So, marami naman kaming kakain. So, kakain muna kami. Say hi, Anna.
Hello.
Do you want chicken? Okay. Okay, kakain muna kami ngayon. Babalik ulit ako. So, ito. Nakain ko. Veggies. Try natin yung chicken. Wings. Try ko. Sarap. Okay, what can you say about the chicken?
The chicken is amazing. The taste of it is very good.
Wow.
And it is really easy to take out.
Wow.
Yep.
Ayan. Order din kami ng mashed potato and coleslaw. Tikman natin. Tikman natin yung coleslaw.
Malaki part nila.
That's good.
Malaki part ng chicken. No?
Oh, wow.
And mashed potato.
Can give you the
Okay lang.
after this, right?
Sarap.
Dad, can you take the skin out?
Okay,
Dad, what can you say about chicken?
siguro, big part sila. Malaki yung part ng chicken. And malasa. So tasty and juicy.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
That is really big. Three, two, one.
So Liam, where are we going after this?
I think we are gonna go to the soccer field, and my parents are gonna walk while I practice.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna practice alone. I'm gonna shoot my shots
Okay.
and dribbling and goalkeeping, and
Okay.
after that we're gonna go home. Yeah.
That's all?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, Daddy. Daddy, Are you agree with that?
I agree. Okay, I can do
Okay.
that. Parang sarap matulog eh.
Oh, do you have work tomorrow?
I have work tomorrow.
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
So we're going to bring Daddy to work
Again.
again.
Please.
Yeah.
And after that, I will bring you to school.
Yep.
Okay?
Okay.
Yes, sandito na naman tayo sa soccer field. Okay, and dyan yung hubby ko. It's so cold! Ayan ang soccer field. Yan. Okay. My son wants to play soccer. Ayan.
And then, wait lang. Do your footwork and then kick it over here, okay? So wait lang, mommy will say yeah.
Yep. Okay. Yan yung kalaro niya. Ayan. You say hi. Ayan. Yes, Daddy. Yeah, you can use your hand. Yan, Dad, super lamig. Hindi ka nalalamig?
I forgot to bring my beanie.
Oh,
Wait.
that's Liam's jacket. Oh. Oh. Ayun. Ayun na bang bagong ano ngayon? Ah.
Ito na ang latest.
Ha? Oh.
Para-paraan na. Wala.
Ayun ang bagong...
There. Oh.
Okay.
Sige na.
Okay, go na. Wow, pogi. Yan, dito naman tayo sa car wash. So, magpapa-car wash tayo. Sa, this is touchless car wash. Yan ang entrance ng car wash. So, we're going to wait for Daddy Alan. Okay?
Entering the dragon. Ooh.
Ang car
Starting.
wash. Ayan, ang dilim. Di namin...
Applying. No, I have to cover my ears. Wait for impact. Right for impact now.
Hello guys! Andito na sa bahay ang inyong inang layas. Pagod much pero nag-enjoy kami. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Yeah!
So, shout out to Sarah from St. Andrews. Birthday niya ngayon. So, happy birthday, Sarah!
Please subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button and the notifications for the upcoming videos. Bye!